How to fix a Facebook notification can't connect problem. If you are facing this kind of issue where your Facebook notification can't connect, then here's how to fix it. Firstly, check for updates that may be available for the Facebook app. To do this, you need to open App Store or Google Play Store on your device and search for the Facebook app. If you see an update option available, then click on it to update your app. If not, then open Settings on your device. Go to the Wi-Fi option and make sure that you have a good internet connection. Again, go back to your previous page and scroll down. Now go to the option Notifications and scroll down. Look for the option Facebook. Here you will see all the apps that are available on your device. Make sure that the Facebook app is also in this list. Here you can even select the style of the notification. Now go back to the settings main page and search for the Facebook application. After searching for it, click on Facebook in the search suggestion. Now go to the notifications option. Make sure that the notification is turned on. Also turn on time sensitive notifications. Now go back to the settings page and click on general. Then go to iPhone storage and select the Facebook app. After that, click on Upload app and again select Upload app at the bottom. After doing this much, your problem should be fixed. So that is it for this video. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.